Buy Clorox ToiletWand Disposable Toilet Cleaning System at cheap and limited time discount from link in the description. Clorox ToiletWand Disposable Toilet Cleaning System is a convenient way to a quick clean toilet. The starter kit contains 1 wand, 6 refills and 1 storage caddy to get you started on a deeper clean. Each disposable head is preloaded with Clorox cleaner with 4 times the powerful scrubbing action to clean tough stains, kill germs, remove rust, calcium and limescale while it disinfects and deodorizes with ease. Based on comparative lab tests, the toilet wand cleans better than a brush. The sponge-like cleaning head is shaped so that you can get into every nook and cranny needing cleaning and germ control while killing 99.9% of germs like Staphylococcus aureus, Salmonella enterica, rhinovirus type 37 and influenza A. This all-in-one system is designed so that you get a brand new cleaning sponge every time you clean without having to touch a yucky brush. Just click your way to a cleaner toilet with the Clorox ToiletWand Disposable Toilet Cleaning Starter Kit.